In India, SFS is pioneer for providing all kinds of industrial air filtration solutions for wide range of industrial applications. We have over 10,000 installations all over India, ranging from automotive to aerospace. But our real success is we have significantly improved the air quality in respective areas.
Application engineering is our expertise and biggest strength. The clients benefit from savings realized through recovery of oil, lower maintenance costs, lower cleaning costs, better equipment life, better working environment for the workers, and of course, better health for workers as well.